Hi everyone, this is Genesis from the Genesis Way, and today I'll be reviewing the Tangle Teezer brush. So my least favorite part of my wash days is having to detangle my hair. Like, my hair gets so tangled, even when I get like haircuts and stuff like that, and I do the deep conditioning every week and all these things, still tangles very much. So it's a part that I despise, and honestly puts me in a really bad mood whenever I have to wash my hair and then I have to like style it and all this stuff, because I'm really mad because it took me like 20 minutes to tangle this hair. So when I saw the Tangle Teezer, that is supposedly a brush that detangles your hair very easily, I was very intrigued. Now, I did my research and I saw a couple of videos and it did work for people, but like I've said here before, some products might work for you and some others might not. So I basically bought the Tangle Teezer at ULTA. It was $15. So honestly, it better work because I have never spent so much money on a brush. So if you guys watched one of my most recent videos where I demonstrated how to use the knot on my watch from Jackie's Coils and Coils, this product has honestly made my detangling already very easier than before. But to be honest, I do not like using wide tooth combs, which is why they recommend to use with this product. So I'm very intrigued to know how this product works on my hair. This is the Tangle Teezer, and then this is the regular kind of like brush that I have used for like probably 4 or 5 years. So the Tangle Teezer, basically it says here is a detangling hairbrush. It has 325 unique teeth untangle every strand of hair quickly, gently, and it's for all hair types. It says that it's the ultimate detangler for wet hair, so it says do not be used with heat. It also says that it confidently detangles any type of hair, reduces breakage and leaves hair healthier looking, and a slim handle for great grip, and also used to distribute conditioners work on the thickest and curliest of the hair. So here are the bristles. I can see right here that some of them are bigger and the other ones are smaller. I think that should be pretty good. And so what I'm going to do, basically, you see my hair here is a little cray cray. I wet my hair and I use the knot pool decadence from Diva Curl, and then I'm going to show you how detangled my hair, one side with the Tangle Teezer and the other side with my regular brush. I really want to try it out because this takes a lot of my hair out, and that's what I want to avoid. I want to avoid breakage and I want to make it as easier as possible. So let's see how this goes. So my hair is already wet and I divided to the best of my abilities through the middle so I can basically tangle. This part I'm going to use the Tangle Teezer, and this part I'm going to use my regular brush. I'm going to be using the knot on my watch from Jackie's Coils and Coils. Actually, I'm going to use this one. It's almost over, so we don't want to waste products. It's also going to be kind of like a first impression because I haven't used a Tangle Teezer. We'll take the knot on my watch. A regular brush. I usually start from the bottom. I'm also going to show you guys at the end how much hair does this brush take versus the Tangle Teezer. That's it. So this is regular brush. Okay. Now we're going to take the Tangle Teezer side. I think almost the same amount if possible. Okay, I'm gonna take the Tangle Teezer, okay, and see how it goes. So I can definitely feel already that it doesn't hurt me as much as my regular brush. It's actually pretty subtle, huh? That is amazing. You saw how long it took me this side? I am done with this experiment over here. This is Tangle Teezer, this is regular brush, and I want to quickly show how much hair basically I lost between the both of them. Okay, this is how much I could take off. I'm going to try to do like a little ball with it of hair. Okay. So I cleaned any excess hair from my hands. And now we're gonna do with my regular brush and see if the difference is super mega like big. So this is it. I'm gonna make a little ball. It's a little bit more from my regular brush. Tangle Teezer, regular brush. But here it is. I am so excited for this brush. It definitely seems to be worth the whole shebang that everybody talking about it and everything. It is effortlessly. I actually use less of the knot on my watch in comparison to how I usually use it. Like I use a lot of it, but this made it so simple for me to use it. Is it worth it? I think so. It was $15 at ULTA. Like I said, they also have like the small versions that are like, I guess you can get in your purse or something. I basically will see how worth is it depending if this like if I can still use it like in 2-3 years, because sometimes like handles broke, the bristles broke. But to be honest, it doesn't seem like the type of brush that will break easily. It's really sturdy, and yeah, honestly, bravo. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let me know below in the comments, do you use this brush? What other brushes do you use? What's your experience? I want to know. And what other recommendations do you have for brushes, leave-in? Let me know. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You look for Genesis Way, and also the links are below. And thank you so much for watching. This has been Genesis Way, and bye.